Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add extra or additional cost when product from specific category add in cart page, and that additional cost will add in total shipping in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we have three products, and then you see product movie downloadable product. So this is from digital product category, and then you see subtotal 45, shipping $90, and then you see total price 135. So we are going to add additional cost when user add product from specific category. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it, and then you see create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see specific category slug, so you can add your category slug here. Now go to product category page, and then you see digital product, and this is our slug. Now copy back to custom code, so you can add your product category slug here. So we added digital product, and then you see additional fee 5, and then you see additional fee 5, so you can set price according to requirement. And then you see additional delivery cost for specific product category. Now you see, and then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. So we have three product in cart, and then you see subtotal 45, shipping flat rate $90, and then you see additional delivery cost for movie downloadable product $5, total 140. So we are going to add another product from this same category, digital product, and then click on add to cart. Now product added. Go to cart page and refresh the page. So we added two products from same category, and then you see additional delivery cost for book digital virtual movie downloadable product. Now show two product name here, and then you see price. So we are going to place order, so click on proceed to checkout. So we are in checkout page, and then you see same, and then we are going to place order, so click on it. Now you see order placement done, and then you see additional delivery cost for two product. Now you see. Now go to admin order edit page, so we are in order, and then you see same additional delivery cost for book digital virtual two product. Now you see, and then you see fees. Now go to my account order page, again you see show here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.